Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to repair your crossbow in Minecraft. Crossbow is a weapon used like the bow to kill people or for hunting. Now crossbow is very good in terms of its fire is fast, but it's also very slow when it charges up. Now, how to repair, you say? The easiest way to repair is by taking your bad crossbows and putting them together, and it will give you a 100% crossbow. Or you can do it in the anvil. Now, because none of my crossbows are damaged because I'm in creative mode, it will not do anything. But these two will repair your crossbow. It also depends on the health. If I put a 50 and a 50, I'm gonna get 100. If I get a 25 and a 50, I'll get 75. So no matter what the HP is, the health is of the crossbows, by adding them together is going to give you one singular crossbow with the health that you've added up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.